Sanibonani, siyanamukela kuSayinqoba Bitit. Uhlelo noma ubani esihlangene naye lapha ukuze sinqobe izingqinamba esibhekene nazo kuleli gciwane lesandulela ngculaza. Samukela futhi nethimba elisekelayo.
Shalom.
Namuhla sizokhuluma ngokusoka, lesethembiso esenzakalayo ekunciphiseni amathuba okuthola ingculaza kwabesilisa. Ukuphendula imibuzo ngokuphathelene nokusoka kuyintokozo ukuthi sibe noDokotela Trevor Majoro. Lekai doctor.
Reale buka shalom lena lekai.
Ntsele hantle.
Kothabile rena.
Udaba lwethu lokuqala luphuma eGauteng. Masike sibheke ukuthi lusiphatheleni.
Namhlanje sise Johannesburg CBD sizothetha no Dr Lishika wasezuza impilo clinic uzosixelela banzi ngolwaluko neHIV. Dr sicela usinike a clear scientific ngicazela ukuthi ulwaluko lwathoba njani uba umuntu abe infected HIV.
Okay, for skin inaliji tsori jwa ke the Langerhans cells. The Langerhans cells kutso di amogela HIV hore kene mo mmeleng wa motho a be infected ka HIV. He ba dira circumcision, they remove that foreskin and the Langerhans cells had salite. Then that reduce the chances of getting HIV. And then they happy right ba hore motho ana le foreskin or prone to developing STIs, malwetse a thobalano. So malwetse a thobalano a ho ge motho a tlise foreskin le ona a fokotseha. Right ba hore malwetse a thobalano ge motho ana le bolwetse ba thobalano go ba easy for HIV gore e mokene le gore e progresse ka pele from HIV infection to AIDS.
Ingabe ukhona umahluko phakathi kolwaluko olwenziwe entabeni nolwaluko olwenziwe kwagqirha?
Circumcision enziwe enkothabeng lenziwe lemohai. There's no real much difference. There's not real much difference. As long as it's done correctly, it's fine.
Ingabe circumcision iyalinika ukhuselo kubantu abangomama?
Actually, there's no direct benefit for bantu besimama from male circumcision. The benefit yakhona is ngendlela so. If we can reduce the chances of males getting HIV by 40 to 60%, in the long run, nabo mamas will have been protected from getting HIV.
Njengogqirha ucinga urhulumente wase-South Africa kumele abandakanye ulwaluko njengestrategy sokulwa negciwane lengculaza?
The South African government should encourage people to circumcise, but we can expect the government to circumcise amadoda bonke who are sexually active, because eventually it will be a logistic nightmare. Because imagine government finally circumcise bonke amadoda, there will be millions that need to be circumcision, while there are other ways of preventing HIV.
Awucinga uba bukhona ubungozi ba abantu nxa beye circumcisile abazofuna usebenzisa condom?
Even with circumcision, the basic HIV prevention is yasala ikona, which is condom. No more circumcisile, you need to use a condom all the time. Also sebedisa condom sitana tlotola HIV. So however circumcised, you're not going to use a condom. Even if you circumcise the condom, is the best way to prevent HIV that is available at present.
Doctor, ne ke batla gore o re explain le gantle gore go iragalang. What exactly are you speaking about ha re bua ka circumcision?
Pele ha re bua ka circumcision, ho bohlokwa re tsebe hore thupa ya monna kapa bokapele ba monna bo jwang. Thupa ya monna ena le letlalo le leng hore le tswela pele le le bitswang hore ka sekgowa ke foreskin. Jwale mo foreskinning mona ho dula di cells tse ba di bitsang di Langerhans cells. Di tshwana le menyako kapa mafestere a ileng hore a amohela kokwanahloko mmeleng. So when you circumcise, we remove the foreskin. And as a result, when you remove the foreskin, you therefore reduce the number of the windows or the doors or the opportunity for the virus to enter into the male penile tissue.
Ukusoka indlela entsha futhi ebalulekile kakhulu kwezocwaningo lengculazi. Ukusokwa odokotela kunganciphisa amathuba ekutholeni ingculaza kwabesilisa ngamaphesenti angama-50. Kodwa-ke akusiyona kuphela indlela yokuzivikela ngokwayo. Abesilisa abasokile kumele futhi basebenzise ijazi lomkhwenyana. Khumbula, zivikele futhi uvikele nabanye. Protect yourself, protect others. Size sibonane ngeviki elizayo futhi. Salani kahle.
Bye.